This guy with a soundboard and mods with roadruns and platforms. He's chasing us. I'm trying to make. We're playing a game, and I just had to make content out of this because it was just so funny. It was just so fun to do. He's playing a creepy song while chasing us.
Hey, did you just take a picture of my feet?
I'm gonna be chasing y'all outside.
Hey,
I'm not
wait.
coming in here no more.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. We're gonna be chasing each other outside. Run!
Give us 3 seconds.
Okay, 3, 2. Ah! He's starting the song up already. He's starting the song up. He has mods, so it's like. Where is he? Is he even chasing us? He's pink, guys. He's the pink guy with the beanie. He's chasing after all of them. This is like a mini game. Wait, run!
Oh shit, did he just... You good, bro? You good? Are you good? Yeah, I'm good. What happened? Yeah, bro. Good. Oh, shit. No.
He started up too early!
He's so fast!
No!
Look at that bozo. Can't even get me. You killed me. Bozo. Look at this bozo, bro. Like, he's like so...
That was horrifying the way he was chasing me. Y'all saw that?
Thank you. Thank you. Give me your heart.
Where'd he go?
He gave me
Where'd he
his
go?
heart. He's dead forever now. Yo, where's he at?
That's sad.
Pink. You suck. You suck.
Run!
Wait, shit. You suck, Pink. What?
He's not.
Going for me. You suck.
Run!
Oh, no.
You idiots!
What is that noise? What's that?
Oh, that's like a creepy startup song. That's horrifying.
What did I say?
He started it. Right there. He's right there. He's right back there. He's about to start up. He's about to start up, guys. Where is he? He's starting from in there. That's creepy.
One more thing about this one. This one is a Friday Night Funkin' song, so like, don't get cringe. It's actually good.
Run.
What's wrong, man? What? He's big. He's a big guy calling you.
Like he died. Haha.
Stinky.
No. It's gonna be creepy. No, that sounds creepy. That sounds creepy. He shouldn't be chasing us yet, though. It hasn't gotten really crazy. Wrong floor. Is it just me or is it lagging out really bad? Like, guys, get ready to run! it's creepy.
Please, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
He's doing the whistle
Whistle.
from death. He's doing the death
Doing
whistle.
the death whistle.
We actually just follow. We have to follow him to where he starts. We have to bully him. We have to bully him until he starts playing a creepy. Run! Run! Bro, he's not even creepy, right? He's not even creepy. Oh my god, I didn't notice he turned around. Bozo! 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 Look at this Bozo! Poopy booty meanie pants head looking self. Your mom left. Your dad left. Oh my god, roasted.
Get on somewhere, bro.
Hamster. Bro, he literally pees tea. Poopy beds. He's playing the FNAF song? That's not creepy at all. Until it starts getting crazy. And he actually starts chasing us. Bro, you're dead. Hold your hands up as much as you want. You better run because that's not going to help at all. He shows no mercy. He will kill you. Bozo! 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 What? Why are you pointing at me? I don't want any of this. I'm just calling you a bozo.
Just go away.
He's not even funny, bro. He's not even scary, bro. Look at this bozo. Look at this bozo. Bro, when he starts chasing us, I'm not even going to scream. I'm not even going to scream at all. When he chases us, I'm not even going to scream because it's not even... Bro! No! No! I'm gonna cry. I didn't want to have to be the only one getting chased. Hopefully.
Yo, Frank! Frank, a little kid just said the N-word. Suck my balls! Suck my balls! No, you said the N-word. Suck my balls! No! Shut the fuck up.
I don't think he's chasing me directly anymore. Look at him chasing through there.
I'm not Daisy 09. I'm not gonna become Daisy 09 because I'm not 8 years old.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. He's literally like, he actually believes Daisy 09. Bro, he's just somebody that has mods and a soundboard that's chasing us around because it's fun. And scary as crap.
Yeah, it's...
He's moving. I don't like when he moves like that. It's scary. He hasn't put his hands up like that. It's really scary. I've heard this song before. It's not even scary when he starts singing the words. It's not even scary. Bro, start playing the one that you first were singing, bro. Play the other one that you first were playing.
I think you're a bozo. It's Friday Night at Freddy's.
Bro, he's the poster.
That's the creepy song we're looking for. That's the creepy one. We've all been waiting for.
If you go inside the tunnel, I'm not gonna chase you.
Yeah, bro, we're
I'm not gonna
chasing.
chase you if you're inside the tunnel.
We're chasing each other outside, okay? We're doing it outside. Bro, that's the scary song we've all been waiting for. That's the scary, bro. That's the scary song. Where it actually gives us chills. Bro, hey, wait, Pink. How does it feel to be the one thing entertaining the server?
My head started because all of them keep going in there. If you go in that tunnel right there, you're not getting chased.
They won't listen. That's just a yeah.
Come here, I found a hiding spot for him. Like,
Wait, I'm scared.
To get us.
No.
No, follow me! Hurry! Hurry! He's gay. He has a big monkey on him. Oh shit! And then go! Go! Oh my god!
Guys, down here.
The guy from Fortnite, bro, what is that music? Look at that ball, bro. You get that music on it? I'm just playing it. I'm gonna leave this server, bro.
You heard that little kid screamed? Hide right here. Alright guys, this is fun. I don't have enough space to survive anymore. Bye guys!